welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate apps on Android. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So in here, you can see I have 3 clone apps, which is Messenger, Instagram, and Facebook, and these are the original apps. So since we're going to delete the clone ones, this is what we're going to do. You can just simply long press on the clone app, and after that, you'll see this option to uninstall this one. So just click on that. And same goes with other apps too. But for those who doesn't have the same feature and have done the long press method, but nothing pops up, this is your solution. Go to your settings, scroll down, and find apps. This one. Tap on that. From here, click on App Cloner. And in here, you'll see duplicate apps. So simply tap on it and enable this button right here. This one. And just tap on that and simply delete. Now let's check the home page if it's already deleted. And there you go, no more duplicate at Instagram now. And that's it guys, I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!